Let's analyze together the latest correlation of the Chinese index in NIO.
Let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Take a look at that comparison right there. Is there a correlation or not? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Well, from what we can clearly see, after this period of, the start of 2024, we can see, like at the start, the Chinese index was going higher and the Chinese stock NIO was going lower. But from there, I see the correlation very, very clear until current prices.
Yeah, let's take a look at the latest forecast because there has been like some development right there, right, Enrique?
Yeah, exactly. This have been like some changes. You can see Alvaro can open the forecast that we have right now. The actual one that is 29 analysts, and we have the maximum plus 92%, the average plus 31, and then the minimum one minus 22%. But if we go back to the chart, let me paste the image from the previous video that we had, the forecast. This was the 15th of October. Can you see it right there?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay, so we can see like the maximum was 73%, so it has changed almost a 20% to the upper part. The average was 17%, almost the middle the quantity of the average of right now, and then the minimum was minus 29, sorry, and the average right now, so the minimum right now is minus 22% more or less. So they changed to the upper part according to this data, so maybe they see something positive that we are not watching yet or seeing yet in the price action, because you can see like the price has continued to go lower during this last week. How will it continue? Let us know in the comments if you know it.
Let's go to the technical analysis right now because obviously the downtrend is continuing. Right now we are trading at $5, and it all started back in when it was trading at 7.669. It's like the downtrend has been in correlation to the Chinese index, and as long as the Chinese index continues to go down, probably NIO will continue to do the same thing.
Exactly. Let us know if you think that correlation will continue to be so. So, for instance, let's take out the HSI, sorry, HSI index. Yeah, I missed that one again. And let's go with the logarithmic scale in NIO chart. And you can clearly see in the daily time frame this parallel channel. If you take a look fast at the weekly, you can see what we are talking about. And going back to the daily again to see the details, you can see like the price almost reached the highest part of this channel. And we asked you this question in the previous video: do you think the price will continue going higher, or maybe try to retest lower levels and get higher again, or will this continue going lower as it happened during the past? And you can see like the market reacted in a very similar way, going to the lower side. But the thing is, as Alvaro mentioned, we have this level right there acting as support, a possible support. Then we have the $5 area that could act also as a support area. So my question for you now is, do you think this level will be strong enough to hold the price, or maybe a lower one and visit higher prices? Or do you think like the price will reach again that lowest part of this parallel channel as it happened during the past?
Yeah, if the downtrend will continue, we don't know yet, but if it does, we could clearly see right now a downtrend of minus 27%, and then the mega support level of 3.67. That's the key moment, because in the past, look at that, what happened back in 2019. This is when it all started. At the beginning of the IPO back in 2020. In 2018, the stock went down like crazy. It was trading at that time at $8, and then look at that. What happened? Minus 85%. It even went lower to lower than $2, 1.20. But I don't think it's gonna happen in that sense. But obviously, we need to see, what it could happen in the next years, because in the markets are the markets. Everything can be crazy. You never know. But obviously, the trend right now is a downtrend. But at least I see some support levels right there at 3.69.
Guys, so how do you see all the situation with the forecast changes, with the technical analysis right there, the price action movements? Do you think NIO will go up or down in the lower time frame, or at least in the short term or medium term, and also in the long term? How do you see the perspective of this stock? Let us know in the comments below. Welcome to Trading HD. Check out all the videos right here. Have a nice week. Let's go.
Bye bye.